So you want to know if you can make money by using copy trading. And the simple answer, without spoiling the video, is yes. You can make a lot of money with copy trading if it's done correctly. What I mean with that? There are so many people you can choose from. You need to take your time, because the only work you have when it comes to copy trading is to choose the correct ones to copy. So take your time in the start, go through all their stats. Some of the most important things you need to look at is, for example, drawdown, because you need to choose your risk. What I mean with that is, you can have some traders, they can have a super success for maybe a couple of months, because martingale means that you're going in many times in a trade. I have done that types of trading in my trading time also. I've been trading Forex for more than 20 years. And I have figured out that even me, that I love to trade Forex, but it's very stressful. You get so much emotions, because something you fail to understand is that emotions is something you can learn to ignore, but you still have it. Because there will come a time you take a trade that you believe so much in, that you put in too much money into a trade, and then your emotions start to take over. And it's very hard when you see a trade start, for example, to go a little in profit or much in profit, almost hit your take profit, not to close it. The same go if a trade go against you. You see the trade start to go almost to your stop loss, and not to go in and manually move the stop loss down, because you believe so much in the trade and you don't want to lose so much money. So emotions is what is breaking you. So what I have found out is better to divide my money over to someone else taking trades. Of course, that person also can have a bad day. That person also can have emotions. That's why I choose many. Don't copy one person, copy many people. Because if you do that, if one have emotional breakdown and do a bigger loss, the other ones are bringing in the money for you. So even if one having a bad day, the other ones will cover that loss, and you maybe go in zero that day instead of losing a big percent of your all money. So then take your time, like I said in the start, check the drawdown. If someone always is staying within a low drawdown, that means they're using good stop loss and good take profit. Then you're done half of the job, because then you're making sure you're trading with people that at least have a good plan. But like I said, they still, like me, can have a bad day because they take a trade that they really believe in and they can do mistakes. That's why you choose many. So I think this is a first step for success with copy trading. And you thought now, wow, it's just these two? It's more steps also. But I think in this video, for you to get started, if you just do these two things correctly from the start, and of course check that I have traded for a little while, you're already a profitable trader copying other people. So what I want you to do now, below the video you will find links so you can get started with 2 brokers that I'm using myself. Okay, this is for Forex, but if you're into cryptocurrency, you can still do that on these 2 brokers. But if you like to be just directly into a cryptocurrency broker, you also find a link for that also there. But like I said, you can use Forex brokers also for cryptocurrency. Many things that you can't. The only difference is, in a broker, for say you own your cryptocurrency, you basically, if you're just trading, you never own your cryptocurrency when it's in a broker. You only own it when you send it over to your own wallet. So in that way, it's not different to use a Forex broker, because you don't own your cryptocurrency, by the way, because you're just trading it, right? But if you plan to send it to your wallet, of course, different. Then use the cryptocurrency broker, that's fine. But otherwise, you can easily use a Forex broker, because the good thing with a cryptocurrency broker, you have very good copy trading. But you have that on the broker for cryptocurrency also. But often, Forex broker have more options for sending money, real money that you can spend here in the stores. So, choose what you want, but what I can tell you, do copy trading. Take from me, that's the way you can start to make money today, because you don't need to have the stress. You can enjoy your time at the beach and let others do the job for you. It's like the example I told before. Why, if someone come and offer you to paint your house, why would you do it yourself when someone can do it for you? Well, you can relax and let others do the job. The same go with copy trading. If someone offers to do it for free for you, that you can find the brokers, why not let them do the hard job so you can enjoy life? So, tell me below the video if you have open account. I will personally help you to get started. Just message me and I will help you so you can start to make money today. Have an amazing day.